Alright, this is Family English with Mr. Kabbalah. Hello everybody, welcome to this new lesson, English grammar questions for advanced learners, particularly for remedial and grade 12 entrance examination questions. And someone who wants to improve your grammar question, I have already adjusted or prepared or administered some 20 questions. Especially the grammar questions are new topics which I haven't touched before, and the approach of the questions are smart and participatory. I may sometimes give time to use your own experience in answering or to answer the questions. I think things which are not clear, maybe some questions are not clear, maybe sometimes you can contact through my contact addresses I have written here. So let me start the questions, please. The question begins with a conversation, Nabab and Nunan. Don't you want to go? First of all, sorry for that, please. First of all, የግራመር ጥያቄዎችን ስትመልሱ ኮንቴክስቱን መጀመሪያ መረዳት ግድ ነው። ኮንቴክስቱን ካልተረዳችሁ ጥያቄው መመለስ ያስቸግራል። ስለዚህ what is the intent of the question? ኢንተንቱ ምንድነው? ሴንትራል አይዲያው ምንድነው? ምንድነው የሚፈልገኝ? ከዛ በኋላ ፍንጭ አለ እዛ አካባቢ ላይ ፍንጩን ተጠቅማችሁ መለስ መቻል ነው። ቴክኒኩ እሱ ነው። ሁለተኛ your experience መጠቀም ግድ ነው። ሶስተኛ how much you study about the grammar question or how much you know about the grammar question or the grammar ምን ያክል ታውቃላችሁ? Use this strategy to answer it. Otherwise you cannot simply answer by reading 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. It's quite difficult to answer grammar question. Be tactful enough, please. Yeah. So here is Abdi. That's right. Don't you want to go? No, ambulance. Yes, I want. Yes, I don't. No, I won't. No, I do. Sometimes the questions are, we have this kind of questions. The question is tough question actually. This question is not normal question. It is surprise question, an emphasis question, but the response is in 2 ways. Don't you want to go? Yes, I want. No, I don't want. Only this one. Alright? We will not go far from the stories replied here. One tough question here. So the answer is what? This one, please. Yes, I want. Don't you want to go? Yes, I want to go. Or yes, I do want to go. No, I don't want to go. But the other distractors seem answer, but they are not the correct answer, please. Yeah. Whatever ጥያቄው ኢንተንቱ ሰርፕራይዝ ኢንፋይስ question ቢሆንም ሁለት መልስ ብቻ ነው ያለን። Yes, I want or yes, I don't. No, I don't want ብለን ብቻ መመለስ የሚገባን። It's different from the normal question. የተለየ ነው። Sarah hasn't got a car. Blank. This is called pronouns in eco-construction እንለዋለን። ይሄን pronouns in eco-construction ሁለት ነገር አለን. If the first statement is positive, the second person replies by using so plus auxiliary verb plus subject ማለት ነው። ፖዚቲቭ ሰንተንስ ከሆነ ሁለተኛው ደግሞ nor or neither plus yes auxiliary verb plus subject ማለት ነው። ይሄ ነው ሁለት ስትራክቸር ያላችሁ right? ሁለት ስትራክቸራችሁ ይሄ ነው። አንደኛው እዚህ ያለው ስቴትመንት ሁለት ሰዎች ተመሳሳይ ስራ ሲሰሩ መስራታቸው የሚመልስበት so plus auxiliary plus subject ነው። ሁለቱ ደግሞ ኔጌቲቭ ስራ የሚሰሩ ከሆነ nor ወይም neither plus auxiliary verb plus subject. These are the two basic rules of pronouns in eco-construction. ይሄ ነው ህጉ actually. So Sarah hasn't got a car. ኔጌቲቭ ነው። ስለዚህ neither has Mark. ምን ማለት ነው? neither has Mark. ማርክም ልክ እንደ ሳራ መኪና የለውም ማለት both Sarah and Mark haven't got car ማለት ነው ይሄ. Yes, both Sarah and Mark haven't got car. hasn't የሚለው ሁለቱን ስንገልጽ car n እናወጣታለን ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ይሄም ይቻላል nor has Mark አለም ይሆናል። ሌሎቹ መልስ ሊሆኑ አይችሉም። so did, so has and either has አይሆንም። ለምሳሌ Sarah has a car or Sarah has got a car ቢል so has Mark ፖዚቲቭ ነው because statementu ፖዚቲቭ ነው። so plus auxiliary verb plus subject, of course. Yeah, nice. Question number 3. I don't mind blank waiting. Being kept. Passive voice. Being keeping. No passive voice. Be kept. No meaning at all. Being kept. No meaning at all. Right? So the answer is being kept ይሄ special passive voice structure ነው right an exceptional passive structure I don't mind አንደኛ mind የሚለውን እሰቡት mind plus ሁሉ ጊዜ ing እንደሚወስድ እሰቡ ስለዚህ መልሳችሁ አትስ ይሄም ሊሆን ይችላል ይሄም ሊሆን ይችላል ይሄም ሊሆን ይችላል ፕሮግሬሲቭ መሆኑ ይሄ አይሆንም ሁለተኛ mind being ማለት progressive plus verb 3 of the active voice ማለት ነው being kept ማለት people keeping me ማለት ነው yes ይሄ ሴንስ people keeping me keeping me ማለት ነው ጽንሰ ሐሳብ people keeping me ስለዚህ I don't mind being kept waiting I don't mind people keeping me ማለት ነው right ይሄ ማለት ትርጉሙ I don't mind people keeping me yes keeping me waiting right ይሄ ነው ስለዚህ passive structure እንለዋለን that's true please I daren't blank him what happened I daren't blank him what happened tell to tell telling and to telling dar this is verb pattern question ነው verb pattern እንዴት ተረዳችሁ እዚህ ጋር ያሉ structures የverb pattern questions ናቸው ስለዚህ dar actually የሚወስደው verb without to ነው እንጠቀምበት especially I don't dare ካለ to tell ነው ደግመዋለሁ please I don't dare ካለ to tell እንጠቀማለን only daren't ካለ ግን it never add an infinitive to አይወስድም ስለዚህ I daren't tell him what happened the right answer please so the rest are not correct response for the question I daren't telling gerund it doesn't take the gerund form please this is an exceptional verb no actually yes I made blank that he wouldn't tell anybody what happened made yeah this also verb pattern question I made means the past form of make and I laid and these are two exceptional verbs they always need or take an object without to plus infinitive verb እሱ መረዳት ነው infinitive verboችን እነዚህ verb pattern ጥያቄ ነው እዚህ ጋር ይሄ ነው ጥያቄው basically ይሄ ጥያቄ ነው ይሄ ምን ይፈልጋል object ይፈልጋል object አለ object የለም ዲመር ሳይሆንም ሁለተኛ verb without infinitive ማለት ነው ይሄ ማለት any plus verb look here any verb without to ማለት ነው yes without an infinitive to አይወስድም ይሄን አይወስድም ለማለት ነው እዚህ ጋር ስለዚህ what is the answer here him ካላችሁ ወይም be ካላችሁ absolutely ልክ ናችሁ him ምን ማለት ነው ይሄ ማለት yes I made him promise that he wouldn't tell anybody what happened so this is an infinitive this is bare infinitive verb no need to put the word or an infinitive to here to now to matter he made promise I made him promise I made him come I made clean I made study I made do something no to is required for whenever you use made and let as a verb all right let's come to the next question ሁለቱ exceptional verbs object plus verb without to ብቻ ነው ስትራክቸራቸው we blank live just outside the town but now we live near the center used to accustomed to used to are used to yes right blank live just outside the town but now we live near the center here is the context please this is called ይሄ ሌላ ኮንቴክስት ነው መጀመሪያ የነበረው ሲቹዌሽን ተቀይሮ አዲስ ሲቹዌሽን ላይ ነው ያለው but now we live near the center ከዛ በፊት አንኖርም ነበር ማለት ነው አይደል ከዛ በፊት አንኖር ነበር አሁን ግን near the center ላይ ወካ ሴንትራል አካባቢ ላይ ነው ለዛ የቀረበ አካባቢ ላይ ነው እየኖርን ያለው ወይም እንኖራለን ካለ ከዚህ በፊት አልነበሩም ስለዚህ used to ማለት used to means an action happened repeatedly in the past but not true anymore or no longer true someone did repeatedly something in the past but the situation changes at the time we're speaking right በተደጋጋሚ habitual action in the past ነው ኮንቴክስቱ ግን አሁን ከነበረበት ተቀይሮ ስንገልጸው used to ማለት ነው used to present accustomed to used to means be accustomed to ማለት is used to are used to am used to but is not meaning at all here Question number 7 here. I want to go out alone, but Joe insisted on playing with me. The question here is here. Insisted on. What's insisted on? ምንድነው ይሄ structure? Joe insisted on. A verb plus preposition. A verb plus preposition ከመጣ ወይም adjective plus fixed preposition ከመጣ ሁልጊዜ ከነሱ ቀጥሎ የሚገለጽበት verb ing form ብቻ ነው። ing form. ing ፎርሙ ሌላ አስከትሎ ሊመጣ አይችልም። ራሱ gerund form ብቻ ነው የሚወስደው። ህጉ ይሄ ነው። Insisted on, interested in, good at, the next word be or the next verb be written or expressed only in gerund, please. I want to go out alone, but John insisted on going with me. Right. Our flight was very early in the morning, so it wasn't was. It wasn't was. It wasn't was. Positive meaning actually. It's very pattern question. It wasn't was going gerund only because of the presence of this word. It wasn't was going. Yeah. ጥያቄዋ ይቺ ነች። was ሁልጊዜ የሚወስደው gerund structure ነው። An exceptional words ናቸው እነዚህ please. Nice. We moved to London blank. We could see our friends more often. We moved to London. We could see our friends more often. As, so that, less, for fear. Oh, yes, right. Result no arla, purpose no arla. So that, yes. So that. We moved to London so that we could see our friends here more often. Right. A woman blank in the accident and blank to hospital. A woman blank in the accident and blank to hospital. Injured, taken, past tense. Was injured and was taken. Was injured, taken. No meaning here. Injured and was taken. Yes, simple past with past passive. Past passive with simple. No meaning at all here. Simple past and no meaning the second word. These are past passive with yes. A woman was injured. There is an external force here, right? Actually, we know the door of the action, but the sentence by itself is there is something external force, so it pushes the sentence into passive ways, right? A woman was injured in the accident and was taken to hospital. በአደጋው ተጎድታለች፣ በዛ ምክንያት ወደ ሆስፒታል ተወስዳለች ሲል ትርጉሙ ኤክስተርናል ፎርስ መጥቶ ኢምፖዝድ አድርጎታል። ስለዚህ ኮንቴክስቱን ከአክቲቭ ቮይስነት ወደ ፓሲቭ ቮይስነት እንዲገለጽ አድርጎታል ነው። ስለዚህ a woman injured ስትል ሴንሱ ይደክምባቸዋል። right? ሴንሱ ይደክማል። ስለዚህ was injured actually. I asked two people the way to the station but could help me. Neither of them, any of them, none of them, either of them. Question እዚህ ጋር ይሄ ነው ጥያቄው። two people ነው የጠየቃቸው። ስለዚህ neither, either, both ሁለት ነገሮችን ብቻ ወይም ሁለት ፐርሰን ለመግለጽ የምንጠቀም none, any, all ከሁለት በላይ ሶስት እና ከዛ በላይ ያሉ ጉዳዮች ማውራት ብንፈልግ እንጠቀማለን። ስለዚህ I asked two people the way to the station but ካለ neither of them, not none of them are I asked three people the way to the station, none of them possible no. ስለዚህ specifically indicate person are to only none of them ምክንያቱም ኔጌቲቭ ሚኒንግ ነው ያለው። either of them ካል ከሁለት አንዱ ነው። both ፖዚቲቭ ሚኒንግ ነው። none of them ስትጠቀም ኔጌቲቭ የዚህን ስራ ነው የሚሰራው። any of them for question and ኔጌቲቭ ተጠቀማለን and all positive sense እንጠቀማለን። ለዛ ነው neither of them የተጠቀም neither of the children plan to go to bed. went, was, what, when, just, wanting and to want. Actually subject verb agreement question ነው። neither of them commonly ሁለት ስትራክቸርን ይወስዳል። አንደኛው ይሄን ይወስዳል። both positive went possible ነው or ካልሆነ ምን ይሆናል? went is impossible ነው። ሁለቱንም ስትራክቸሮች ይወስዳል። both are none of them, neither of them, both are possible. none of the children want to go to bed? Of course. None of the students wants to go to bed? Of course. ሁለቱም ግን ምርጫ ላይ ሊመጡ አይችሉም። ambiguous question ነው። ስለዚህ wants, the answer is wants here. right? ማሳየት ነው የፈለኩት ግን እዚህ ጋር ያለው ጥያቄ መልሱ ምንም አያሻማም። was ልንል አንችል ሚኒንግ ሊሰጠን ስለማይችል ማለት ነው። እዚህ ጋር was to go to bed አትሉም። Our holiday was a disaster. Disaster blank went wrong. Disaster, problem, challenges, disaster mean, right? Our holiday was a disaster blank went wrong. Yeah, something went wrong. Everything went, was something positive sentence, anything for question and negative, nothing for negative meaning, everything went wrong. Everything, which is the scope is somehow very high scope, and we use everything. Yes, everything which is important to celebrate my holiday. Not something which is specific and undefined. Everything which is important to celebrate my holiday. The scope is a little bit wide compared from the other indefinite pronouns. That's why I inserted everything here. Right? Our holiday was a disaster. Everything went wrong. Exactly. This one. Right. Nice. I have spent blank you gave me. The whole money, all the money, whole money, all money. When do we use the whole? መቼ ነው the whole የምንጠቀመው? When do we use all? Is it possible to complete the question with the whole money? I have spent the whole money you gave me. The whole money means its amount is more than plenty of. More than plenty of. The whole money means the whole money what I have in my pocket, what I withdraw in a bank. So I have spent all the money. Exactly. all the money ከሁለቱ ጋር ስናነጻጽረው ይሄን ጥያቄ ዲፋይን ሊያደርገው የሚችለው all the money you gave me የሰጠኸኝን the whole money ስትል የሰጠኸኝን ሳይሆን በጥቅሉ የሰጠኝንም ኪሴ ውስጥ ባንክም ያለውንም የሚል ትርጉም ይሰጥ the whole ስትል አንደኛ ሚኒንግፉል possible ነው መጠቀም እንችላለን ይሄን ጥያቄ ግን ኮምፕሊት አያደርጋላችሁም ስለዚህ specifically you give me የሚለውን ፖይንት ሊያደርግላችሁ የሚችለው the answer is all the money. Exactly, this is right. I miss someone blank brother I went to school with. This is relative pronoun question. Yes, right. አንደኛ እዚህ ጋር ያለው ነገር brother is possession question ነው possession question belonging owners question ነው አንደኛ ሁለተኛ እዚህ ጋር የሚገልጽላችሁ ተከትሎ የሚሄደው ስም ነው possession ስለሆነ ስለዚህ ምንም ሌላ ቦታ ሳንሄድ whose ብቻ ነው የምትመርጡት ይሄ ማለት I miss someone his brother I went to school with or whose brother ማለት his brother her brother ማለቱ ነው possessive adjectiveዎችን substitute ያደርጋል possession የምንለውም ይሄንን ናውን ኢንዲኬት ስለሚያደርግ possess ስለሚያደርግ አማራጫችንና ትክክለኛ መልሳችን whose ነው የሚሆነው ሌሎቹ completely አይሆንም question number 16 which person አይደለም things and animals whom person ነው object of the verb ነው አይደለም to whose we don't have this structure እንዲህ አይነት relative pronoun የለም ካለን እንኳን to whom in whom in which ነው እንጠቀም ይችላል እነዚህ whom እና which preposition ይወስዳሉ if you want to make an emphasis make an exceptional view idea for to the given sentence they take the preposition but whose never blank your brother at home every day does is did will blank your brother at home every day this is complement auxiliary question ጥያቄ ነው does ስንጠቀም እዚህ አረፍተ ነገር ላይ action verb ሲኖር ነው do does ስትጠቀሙ እዚህ ጋር is የምትጠቀሙ ከሆነ complement ሲሆን ነው አረፍተ ነገሩ complement ሲሆን ነው willም ስትጠቀሙ እዚህ ጋር main verb ሲኖር ነው ስለዚህ የለኝም መልሳችሁ ማን ነው የሚሆነው this one please is your brother at home every day exactly no action verb simply complement yeah does your brother at home is meaningless because there must be an action verb which possibly asks or shows what the subject does የሚያሳየው ባለቤቱ ምን ሊሰራ እንደሚችል የሚገልጽ action verb ካለ እዚህ ጋር does and did possible ናቸው ግን every day ስለሚል ደግሞ basically ይሄ ይሆናል በዛ ከቀየር ነው በዚህ ኮንቴክስት ግን the answer is I'm not what is not look here question number 17 is not what I expect from you it is blank daydream, daydreaming, dreaming, dream. It's not what I expect. አንዳንድ ጊዜ ከአንድ ሰው ጋር ከምትጠብቁት በታች የሆነ ነገር ስታገኙ just ቅዠት ነው ትላላችኋል። ቅዠት ነው ካንተ ወይም ካንቺ የምጠብቀው ነገር አይደለም። it's daydreaming የቀን ቅዠት ነው ትላለህ። በቃ ዝም ብሎ እንቶ ፈንቶሪ ነው የምታወሪኝ ወይም የምታወሪኝ ነው። daydreaming, not daydream. And actually this is the best answer here. Blank, you told me just blank yesterday was right with a slight difference, with a little difference. Yeah, what told me, no meaning actually, no subject indicated here. What you tell me, it talks about the signal expression here is yesterday, but you tell me here is simple present. No, and what telling me is no subject and gerund. The sentence doesn't gerund here. What you told me yesterday was exactly true. What you told me yesterday was true. ትናንት የነገርከኝ ትክክል ነው ከተወሰነ ዲፈረንስ በስተቀር ነው። Have you blank the entrance examination? Have you blank took, taken, taking, and take? Clear, very common, easy question. There is an auxiliary verb here, have, which is important to give cues here, and the second main verb should be written as in the form of past participle. So have you taken the entrance exam? Right. Have you took አትልም? Have you take አትልም? Have you taking አትልም? No. ስለዚህ እዚህ ጋር ፍንጭ ስለሰጣችሁ ማለት ነው። This is blank bedroom among the others in the hotel. The nicer bedroom, the nicer bedroom, nicest, the nicest here. The answer is the nicest. The question is superlative degree. አንደኛ እዚህ ጋር ነው among the others in the hotel. ሆቴል ውስጥ ካሉት ሌሎች ቤድሩሞች ይህ እኔ ያስኩት ቤድሩም በጣም የተሻለ ነው ለማለት ነው። I can compare the bedroom that I have with the other bedrooms in the hotel. So to compare, yes, at least more than 3 items, right? So we can just use superlative. And also the very important pair here is whenever you use superlative, it always uses definite article the plus this superlative form. These are the 20 sample questions. I think I try to give explanation, show about the different topics. Yeah, አሁን ያየናቸው ጥያቄዎች እስከ ዛሬ ባየር ላይ ያሉ አዳዲስ ይዘቶች ናቸው። በአጠቃላይ በዚህ መልክ ነው መስራት የሚችሉት። And anyway, just thank you. I hope you subscribe my channel, like my channel, and share and write comments. That's enough for today, please.